Hey y'all, it's Candy with KANDI'S Kreations. Today we're going to use one of those famous Walmart flocked bunnies to put in a grapevine today. Here I just used a skewer at the bottom and a U-pin and a pipe cleaner to attach to the grapevine. Next we're going to go in with two of these Hobby Lobby egg picks. You get them in the long stem section at Hobby Lobby. Next, we're going to just make a bow to add into the middle of our picks. Next, I'm just going to thread a zip tie through the grapevine and the picks and just secure my bow to the grapevine. Just fluff accordingly, and I'm going to waterfall my longer ribbon here to the bottom of one of the picks with a smaller zip tie. Next, I'm going to work in some of these filler picks that I got from Jam Designs and Supplies. Next, we're going to go in and sprinkle throughout some of this ranunculus bush. This ranunculus bush also had this really pretty yellow filler in it, so I'm just sprinkling that throughout the grapevine. Next, we're going to go in with some of this orange jasmine bush. It's a beautiful greenery that I get from Jam Designs and Supplies. It's one of my favorite greeneries for spring and for summer. And ouch. Yeah, I did that. It got me. But the show must go on. Not before I have to get a Band-Aid. Last but not least, we're going to go in with some of this ranunculus filler bush. It's also from Jam Designs and Supplies. I just love that it has the ranunculus florals on it, as well as the beautiful white filler on it. And there you have it, friends. This is how I designed this flocked bunny from Walmart on a grapevine. I hope you enjoyed it.